The first day of April is today, being Wednesday, 2026. Happy new month of April to you all. All right. There is something I'm seeing currently on social media, and the thing is much like it's trending. Anytime they are posting the pictures, the information about what is currently going on in Nigeria, in Plateau State, in Benue State, in many places, I am seeing one name, Nnamdi Kanu. People are writing Nnamdi Kanu said this, Nnamdi Kanu said that, Nnamdi Kanu said this, Nnamdi Kanu said that. Oh, now we understand what Nnamdi Kanu was saying before. Oh, we thought that this man was joking before. Like, I'm seeing comments upon comments. People are now trying to remember what Nnamdi Kanu told them, and so on and so forth. But I want to remind you something. I want you to go and watch the videos of Omotoso when he was reading the charges against Nnamdi Kanu and the sentencing. And Omotoso was directly saying something. And one of the reasons why he was angry sentencing Nnamdi Kanu amidst the things he stated that I call illegal conviction. Omotoso said, Nnamdi Kanu said that the Fulani terrorists are Janjaweed. How can you call people of a tribe in that name, in such name like that? Like, Omotoso was furious. At that point, that court case have not finished. I knew, I decided to just forget about it. The plan is concluded. And this plan is not just only from the southeastern governors who frame Nnamdi Kanu up, proscribe his IPOP group, and also armed boys. Yes, southeastern governors, armed boys. A lot of people were armed in the name of let us go and replicate what Nnamdi Kanu is doing. Cause chaos, do something, answer the name. Answer IPOP, answer ESN, answer this name. That was how they carried out that game that overed Nnamdi Kanu in one way. Yes, they started sponsoring people in the name of IPOP. Like, these people are Nnamdi Kanu people. Go to Bush. You may not like Hope Uzodinma, but I was in the audience. Hope Uzodinma was saying it clear and clear. These people are not IPOP. We politicians are doing it. Yeah, that is the only thing I say that Hope Uzodinma was able to say and do. But when the media have been paid off and so many people have been paid off, so no matter what you say, no matter what you do again, it is over. Now, a lot of people fail to understand that the reason why Nnamdi Kanu is in Sokoto today is not because of what he did. Calm down. Pay attention to this video. I want to tell you something maybe you have never thought about. Nnamdi Kanu is not in Sokoto because of what he did. If it is because they call him a terrorist, pay attention. What did the army say, the army spokesman, is it a spokesman or the chief of army staff? He said that they can't kill the terrorists. They can't just sentence them like that, that they are their people, their prodigal sons, that they will bring them into the society. The question remains, if it is your duty now or your mission to bring these terrorists into the society by de-radicalizing them, according to what they said, what happens to Nnamdi Kanu that you call terrorists? So this is a logic that will give you the result you have been looking for, that Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist. That is why expressly he was sent to detention, not in Abuja, sorry, he was sent to imprisonment, but not in Abuja, in Sokoto. The Sokoto is like, that is where terrorist control is taking place, like central command of terrorists. The Nigerian Terrorist Association is being commanded in Sokoto. Houses are in the bush. Light never sees there in this country. So, Nur Ribadu said these Boko Haram terrorists are their brothers. But Omotoso made one statement that Nnamdi Kanu, the kind of Nnamdi Kanu, does not deserve to live where human beings are living. Omotoso made that statement when he was judging, that day he was passing sentence. He said Nnamdi Kanu does not deserve to live among the living. I'm trying to wake up your mind to the reality that the anger against this man was because he was standing in the way of people who want to conquer Nigeria. Now, let me ask you a question. Attention. Nnamdi Kanu, imagine he's not in detention. He's free today. If Nnamdi Kanu is free, he's not in detention, what is going on today will not happen to this magnitude. You may not understand what I'm saying. You see, in every generation, in every time, God used to send people, use people to do a specific assignment. Nnamdi Kanu was sent on time. Like, he answered his calling on time. At that moment, he was needed. Unfortunately, Nnamdi Kanu is very much needed up till now. If Nnamdi Kanu is not in detention, the magnitude of what you are seeing will not be like this. You know why? Nnamdi Kanu will always expose you. Like, yes, he have a voice. Thousands of people don't listen to him. If Nnamdi Kanu have a broadcast and I have somewhere I'm going that time, I will pause it because I want to listen to him. You don't understand. Like, he speak live. That microphone was his weapon. He's there in the life imprisonment detention center, a man that they have never seen gun in his hand. You say, they sentence him to death, to life imprisonment. But people who are killing people are their children. I want you to reason and understand that it is because Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist. He is just standing in their way. Nnamdi Kanu was just standing on their way. And Tinubu will not release Nnamdi Kanu. You know why? Because Tinubu have a relationship with these people. Yeah, whether you like it or not. They have relationship with these people. Tinubu understand that there is an Islamic conquest in Nigeria now. Jagaban not small. Tinubu not small. Not be Tinubu you go talk say you never know waiting they go on for Nigeria. Tinubu knows what is going on. Like, the man na Jagaban. He knows people who are carrying out this conquest. So, when you hear, what is it called, Sheikh Ahmed Gumi saying Tinubu knows the names, the location of these terrorists and who they are, he was not joking. He was not joking. But you know what? If your home did not kill you, outsiders cannot kill you. The reason why Nnamdi Kanu, if these people succeeded in jailing Nnamdi Kanu, was because the southeastern politicians, many of them came against him. The governors came against him. Someone like Omahe, Wike, Pitamba, Soludo, to mention all of them. There are many. You understand? They will like take this man out. If this man is there, we cannot do anything. If this man is there, his influence will overshadow us. But you know what? Very soon they will regret it. Yeah. Very soon they will regret it. People will regret for not having someone like Nnamdi Kanu present when what will happen will happen. You see the kind of killing you are seeing right now? I'm sorry to tell you this. It is never anybody's wish to see it. But the killing have not started. I'm sorry to tell you this. It will be like a war. You can't walk on the street of Nigeria. You people don't know like the information and security and that is presently being circulated. Now, people in intelligence circle knows what I'm saying. Yeah. DSS, the army, they can't say they don't know what I'm talking about. Time will come. Maybe some part of the north, you are a Christian, you are walking on the road, they will just kill you. That is the angle we are going in Nigeria now. But guess what? Let me tell you one thing that must happen. Nigeria will divide. Nigeria will not continue like this. That one is a tax that must be done. Yes. Nigeria will not remain like this. And everyone who do not like it, everyone who do not wish for it, at that time, they will start praying for it to happen. Yes. Like you watching me, it sounds so skeptical, like this guy don't know what he's saying, or this division is not a problem. No, you will beg for it. You don't know what is coming. You will beg for it. Just like what the Bible says in the book of Apocalypse, Revelation. It says that when the tribulation will start, people will beg for death. Because if death did not come and take you, if you did not die, the kind of suffering that will be on earth, you will regret it. Like you will pray for death. That is what I'm trying to tell you. What is going to happen in Nigeria? People will beg for Nigeria to separate. And you know what? That time it might take a little bit longer for you to see Nigeria being separated. Look at Shegumi. He was saying that Alex Babia, that he is causing a religious tension, that they should arrest him. Like, that sounds so stupid. It sounds so stupid. Like, you said that the federal government knows the terrorists, their location and everything. But you said someone who is talking is causing tension. Like, what is wrong with you, Shegumi, now? Like, what's wrong with you? Someone who is causing the killing, federal government knows their name and location. But someone who is talking that is causing tension, this was how they started with the Nnamdi Kanu issue. That Nnamdi Kanu is talking. Nnamdi Kanu is talking. He is causing violence. He wants to divide Nigeria. Nobody wants to hear you speak the truth. But you know what? It's not going to last forever. Yeah, it's not going to last forever. Whatever you like, do. If you like, cry from now till tomorrow. Nigeria will never remain one. That is the only solution to stopping this. People will be killed in the street, and the military will not do anything. Military will guide these Islamic extremists to be killing people in the street very soon. You people don't understand what I'm talking about, but may God keep you alive. This is not what we wish. I am telling you what is going to happen. Remember that everything happening today, you were told. You were told, defend yourself, but you must know the solution. The solution does not lie on defending yourself alone. The solution lies on stopping this system. Yeah, this system needs to be stopped. The ultimate solution is the division of Nigeria. The ultimate solution. We are not saying it because of any other thing. If that happens today, it will enable people to settle and protect themselves. Well, if you are not comfortable in where you are living, you can relocate to another country. Yeah, that is it. This was what was told to the people in Egypt then. They refused. People in Algeria, people in Lebanon, in Turkey, in Iraq, to mention but few. They told them like this, unless you will open your arms and let them conquer you, turn you to slave, kill you, do everything. That is what is going to happen. So, if Nnamdi Kanu is still free up to now, what is going on today will not be of this magnitude like it won't. I remember then, he was telling Hausa people, look at, this is subjugation. This is this, this is that. He will tell you history. He will tell you what is happening now. He will tell you what will happen in the future. He will mention people who are involved. Like, we need Nnamdi Kanu now. Nnamdi Kanu is needed now. You people don't understand. Nnamdi Kanu is needed now. But unfortunately, people will not still understand this. Anyway, it is what it is.